Data science is a multidisciplinary blend of data inference, algorithm development, and technology in order to solve analytically complex problems. Does it sound complex to you? Because it does to me. A lot of definitions and explanations available online are just way too complex. That is why in this video, we are going to answer one simple question. What is data science? Along with this, we will also be discussing some real-life examples. The job of a data scientist, available jobs, and its scope in India. So let's get started. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. What is data science? A simple definition would be something like this. You have a large amount of data such as names, ages, locations, tastes, hobbies, and you are trying to extract something smart and useful from it, like the right communication for advertising. Yeah, a little abstract, maybe a bit of oversimplification too, but data science is broadly extracting, analyzing, and visualizing data so that it can be used in a better way. Let's take a few examples to help you understand it better. You must have seen smartwatches, or probably you use one too. These smartwatches can measure your sleep quality, how much you walk, your heart rate, and even blood oxygen levels. Let's take sleep quality for example. If you check every single day, how did you sleep the night before? That's one data point for every day. You slept for 8 hours, you didn't move too much, you didn't have any short awakenings, etc. etc. That's one data point. However, on the next day, you slept slightly worse, you slept for 7 hours. Now that is another data point. By collecting these data points for a whole year, you can start to draw trends from them. Maybe on the weekends, you sleep longer and better. Maybe if you go to bed earlier, your sleep quality is better. Or you recognize that you have short awakenings around 2 a.m. every night. By recognizing these patterns, you can draw conclusions as to what is the right time to go to bed and wake up, how much sleep you need, and what are the strain points, which are you keeping away at night. Similarly, there are millions of examples of data science such as optimizing shipping routes in real time, finding the next slew of world-class athletes, stamping out tax fraud, automating digital and placement algorithms that help you find love. Tinder. Yes, Tinder is using data science to help you find love. How sweet of them. So, by now, you have understood what is data science and what are some of its applications. But now, a common question that arises is how data scientists and engineers do it. Is there any magic trick? Let's see. In a team, data engineers first mine complex data, then manage statistical data and look at what their company needs to create different models. Since data is rarely clean, they spend ample of time in collecting, cleaning, and munging with the help of tools such as BigML, MATLAB, Tableau, SAS, and TensorFlow. It is their job to find patterns, build algorithms and models, experiment designs, communicate with team members, and perform data-driven decision-making. The data science domain has been growing leaps and bounds since the internet boom, but in India, it has only started picking up in the last decade. Since then, India has been the second highest country to recruit employees in the field of data science, second only to the United States. And in the past couple of years, data science has also ranked in the top highest paying fields in the list. An entry-level data scientist can earn around ₹6 lakh per annum with less than 1 year of experience, whereas an average data scientist's salary is ₹7 lakh per annum at a fresher level. On the other hand, a mid-level data scientist earns ₹10 lakh per annum in India, whereas if you are a senior level data scientist, you can also earn ₹20 lakh per annum. But as you know, India is quite large and every major city has organizations working in this field. So your average salary also depends on the geography you are working in. For example, the average salary of a data scientist at a fresher level in Bengaluru is ₹9.8 lakh. But for a similar role, you will get ₹7.6 lakh in Pune and ₹5 lakh in Kolkata. By these numbers, it can easily be said that Indian IT companies are paying really good to their employees in the data science field. Many prestigious companies like Accenture, EY, TCS, Amazon, HSBC, Infosys, Arctelos, and AI-enabled chatbot solution provider company Genpact, Capgemini also hold a reputation of increasing salary by 15% annually. So if you are planning to have career in this field, there has been no better time than now. Visit our page Inside AI ML to learn about data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence courses. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to watch our videos.